ఐ థింక్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చూస్తే మీకు హైదరాబాద్ గ్రోత్లో ఎస్పెషల్లీ చంద్రబాబుకి అయితే పెద్ద ఆయన విజన్ చేస్తే ఇదంతా డెవలప్మెంట్ మనం చూస్తున్నాము. డెఫినెట్లీ ఆంధ్రాలో కూడా లాస్ట్ గవర్నమెంట్లో కొంత డెవలప్మెంట్ జరిగింది. డెఫినెట్లీ దేర్ విజన్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి బిగ్గర్ దాన్ నౌ కంపేర్ టు. ఐ థింక్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ చంద్రబాబు గారితో పాటు ఈవెన్ నారా లోకేష్ గారు కూడా ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు యాడ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ విజనరీ. ఐ థింక్ ఈ ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేటెడ్ సమ్ IT sector in the Mangalagiri areas and Guntur areas. Unfortunately, that didn't go very well, but this time I think they are coming to a big way, especially for the people who are living in Hyderabad also, especially not only Hyderabad, for the Telugu people he is always talking about. So they are going to come to back to their homes and they can work from home. Especially if you see their NDA, especially the TDP side, the Nara Chandrababu Naidu vision, if you see, he is going to create work from home hubs near to the Mandal districts as well as so, and he is going to create 20 lakhs jobs over there, it seems. Probably that's going to happen very soon. Especially you have seen the development with already kick off in the Amaravati and the other Polavaram. He already reviewed those things. I think especially the IT people, I am going to think it is going to boom. Not only IT people, to be frank, the entire AP is going to win with this part. Especially the people who are working in the other cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, these people are going to come back to their homes and they can start growth themselves. Maybe they could develop their own mini cities, probably like the other business could establish due to the IT. Maybe if the people can get the work from home jobs, they could build their own homes. They don't need to build in the other bigger cities to add too much traffic and other more things, right? So I'm thinking especially in these 5 years, the Amaravati is like AP is going to have a big win in the IT area. Not only IT area, maybe other sectors also. Maybe Amaravati going to a big development. It's as well as the other Polavaram, other issues, right? Many things are going to be sorted out. Maybe you will see the people migrate into back to the Amaravati and AP. You have seen the people migrating from AP to other places, right? Of course, Hyderabad is anyway native to them. Maybe now you will see the back to the migration back to the Hyderabad, back to the AP, especially Amaravati area. Maybe that might take a little while time. Maybe I am thinking it could happen by the next 6 to 1 year. So I am very confident, and you have seen his big vision. Probably you are already witnessing the 2020 vision. Now we are going to see the 2040 vision. How he is going to bring the development. How he is going to create the new development, new business. So I am very thrilled to what. Actually, I am luckily part of being that AP. So I am really waiting at many people, even not only me, probably you have seen that everyone is like how they witnessed the to bring back him to there. Maybe like development wise, AP is going to see a big kick off from all over, especially in the South India. It is going to very soon we going to witness that part.
ఉమ్మడి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు చంద్రబాబు గారు సీఎంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎంతో అనుభవం ఉన్న నాయకుడు. ఇక్కడ తెలంగాణలో ఐటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ జరిగిందైతే చంద్రబాబే అని చెప్తారు. ఏపీ నుంచి 2 తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి చూసుకుంటే ఏపీ నుంచి కూడా ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ఐటీ డెవలప్మెంట్లో ఐటీ పర్పస్లో జాబ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ మళ్ళీ చంద్రబాబు గారు కూటమి ప్రభుత్వం ఏర్పడింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు అక్కడ వెళ్ళి వర్క్ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉందా? ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఐటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది జరుగుతుందని భావించవచ్చా?
అంటే మేబీ డెఫినెట్లీ హైదరాబాద్ దాంట్లో చంద్రబాబు గారి విజన్ ఉంది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఐటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేయడానికి కొన్ని హడిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ది ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో స్మాల్ చేంజెస్, ద న్యూ టెక్నాలజీస్ కమింగ్ ఇన్. సో those become a like a plus point. Certain time they become a very the other side also we have to see, because the growth in IT field may be like it is a limited growth. It will go. It is not like when it started 20 years ago. It is like very humongous growth. It happened. We have already seen. But when now probably they need little more meticulously. They have to plan their things, like how can bring back this work from home job. And other part, if you see the whole world, probably I think they'll need to get more outsourcing job from the other west world to the especially AP side. So definitely those things happen, but it is not like that kind of pace probably what we have seen. But now it is going to be little, it takes very meticulous steps to bring back, but it happens maybe a 6 to 1 year. You have to see how things are going to happen. And not only those, in the technology also enabling to do a lot of work from home, how we have seen the COVID, right? So these will also help, because he know how to bring those jobs and how he know how to develop the industries also. That's why he is very confident. He already calculated how much value he could bring in the next 5 years. That's why he is stating the figure of 20 lakhs probably. At least he could reach at least 60% would be big blow for the people if they can bring back. Even the people who are working in the other cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Pune and right, even these people come back, they do their work from also. These people enable the local growth for the API.
ఐటీ మినిస్టర్గా నారా లోకేష్ గారి పాత్ర ఎట్లా ఉండబోతుంది? గతంలో తెలంగాణలో బీఆర్ఎస్ కేటీఆర్ గారు 2 సార్లు ఐటీ మినిస్టర్గా ఉండి హైదరాబాద్ ఇంకింత డెవలప్మెంట్ జరిగిందని ఒక సమాచారం ఒక చూసుకున్నట్టయితే మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ నారా లోకేష్ గారు డెవలప్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉందా? మంచి మంచి కంపెనీలు
డెఫినెట్గా యాక్చువల్లీ ఆల్రెడీ హైదరాబాద్లో ఒక ఈకో సిస్టమ్ బిల్డ్ అయింది, దాన్ని కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటూ పోయారు అది కేటీ రావు గారు. డెఫినెట్లీ దట్స్ ఏ గ్రేట్. So I think compared to even these people take these use cases also. So they Nara Lokesh garu, they do much more better than this definitely, because even if you see last is 5 years ruling of, right, he bought some few of the IT hubs for the Mangalagiri and Guntur areas and some of the in Vizag also. So I think those will be fully operated. I think what are the available existing hubs, I think they have a better plan compared to these. So they are very challenging this time, but they'll definitely do it, because he's going to play a vital role, because he took the same ministry now also, right? So he's going to play a vital role to bring back the IT and bring the other industry along with it.
మొత్తానికి అక్కడ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో ఐటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది జరిగితే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఈ తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలకు సంబంధించిన, ఏపీకి సంబంధించిన ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు అక్కడ పోయి స్థిరపడే అవకాశం ఉందనుకోవచ్చా?
ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఎవ్రీ వన్ దే వాంట్ టు దేర్ హోమ్, రైట్? ఇఫ్ యూ సీ లైక్ ఇన్ ట్రెడిషనల్ వే, సంక్రాంతి, దసరా, యూ సీ హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ లివ్, రైట్? ఆల్మోస్ట్ 40% పీపుల్ యూ సీ. ఐ థింక్ యూ గైస్ నో దట్ లైక్ హౌ ద ఎంటీ రోడ్స్. ఈవెన్ ఐ every year, every twice definitely I will go. Of course, I usually will go since it's very near, right? How much like Amravati will be? It's like a 3 hours journey if you see outskirts to outskirts, right? So I think I think at least few people will go in very initial years. I think eventually these people are going to settle over there. I am strongly believing that part. Even the next generation going to settle there itself locally, AP. Of course, these are all will be very competitive. If you see that Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Amravati also now coming to the play a bigger role in the competition.
గతంతో చూసుకుంటే ఎలాంటి కంపెనీలు తెస్తే, ఎలాంటి డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని చెప్తారు మీరు చివరిగా?
సో నేను మేబీ ఇప్పుడు దట్ టైమ్ దే ఓన్లీ మేబీ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్యూ, ఎస్పెషల్లీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఐటీ, విచ్ బ్రింగ్స్ ద మోర్ రెవెన్యూ quickly to add the catalyst to the growth. But this time probably they have to concentrate on all other areas, so not only IT, right? IT is one of the part. Maybe they need to concentrate more on the manufacturing, maybe with the other few industry which will help with the local growth, especially for the people which would help not only for the educated, right? Even there are other people who could, right? They need bring more on the tourism, more on the manufacturing, more on the aquaculture, more on the other what they could, right? Especially the outsourcing jobs from the other worlds, right? They should bring those things. Maybe you have the garment industry, you have maybe as much as they could, not only IT, right? IT is only a small part, especially when you compare to, we have a large coastal area for the AP, right? They have to concentrate more on the aqua side. It's already happening in the last 5 years. Maybe they should do amalgam of the all industry this time, not only one area.